Hello loves, how are you? Welcome back to us on Hairstyles channel if you're new. And hi, I'm Zina and I'm a hair artist, but today we have a topic that we kind of ashamed to talk about that, right? Dirty hair. This happens to all girls out there. You feel like your makeup is done, you're ready to go, but you have to brush your hair and you look in the mirror and what you see those greasy roots that you cannot deal with, and you think you have some dry shampoo but you run out of it, right? This happens to all of us, so even though we are ashamed to talk about that, but this happens to all of us. So when you have no time and you have to go out like literally in minutes, these are the hairstyles that will really save your life, truly. So without talking, let's get started.
For our first hairstyle, we'll brush our hair back and then we'll select our top section like I'm showing, and then making sure everything is nice and smooth using a comb. You can comb it through and we'll tie this top section with a clear elastic. Now, if you have time, you can hide the elastic using this tool like I'm showing, or you want to wrap it around hair elastic and tuck it into the elastic underneath like I'm showing in pretty much all tutorials, or you can leave the elastic like it is if you don't have time and you want to divide your created ponytail into 3 equal sections and make a simple 3-strand braid. Here guys, you can make any type of braid that you like, a raw braid, a fishtail braid if you have time, any type of braid that you really like, and then grabbing the rest of our hair and the braid as well, you want to tie it. Now again, you want to wrap the hair around your elastic to hide it if you have time. If not, you can leave the elastic like it is and continue your braid. I'll continue my 3-strand braid, you can continue the braid that you did, okay? You want to tie the ends of your braid with a clear elastic, and then you want to pull apart your braid to make it kind of voluminous looking. Yes, you're done. So for the next one, we want to make a very high ponytail like that. Make sure everything is nice and smooth. Then you want to grab any scarf that you have. I decided here I need something very bright, so I took this red one. And divide your hair into 2 equal sections and your scarf as well like I'm showing, and you want to wrap the sections around each other until reaching the ends. Now you want to wrap this created braid around the base of the elastic, and using a clear elastic you want to secure it. Now you want to pull a little bit created bun and fix it from the sides with bobby pins, and you're done. For the next one, we want to select again our top section like we did in our first hairstyle, and we want to brush it using a comb, making sure everything is nice and smooth. We want to tie this section. Then you want to wrap around the elastic this section, and like I'm showing, make sure to pull your hair halfway through, creating this knot. If you have longer hair, make sure the ends to wrap around created knot like I'm basically showing, and you want to pin it using some bobby pins to fix it in place like that. Now you want to tie the rest of our hair again with a clear elastic and basically repeat these steps. As I said, if your hair is longer, you want to wrap around the base, the ends, and of course you want to fix your bun with bobby pins. As you can see, I'm not opening my bobby pins. Make sure to use enough of them and don't open them, because this way your hairstyle will stay secure all day long. So for our last hairstyle, you want to make a parting on the side you like, of course, and then measuring the parting with your hand. Make sure everything is nice and smooth. You want to comb it through, of course, and you want to tie it using a scrunchie that pretty much matches your hair color. Then you want to grab your ponytail and tuck it into the elastic like I'm showing, and spread the loop around the elastic, and then with the ends you want again to wrap it around our scrunchie and again spread it all around our elastic. So basically we'll create a bun, a voluminous one, right? This is very handy for those girls with thin hair, but when our hair is greasy it looks much more thinner, right? So that's an amazing tip. Then you want to grab another scrunchie that you have lying around or you like, and you want to tie it, securing our bun in place. I decided also to accessorize it to make it fancy. This is our peekaboo, and we're done!
I really hope you enjoyed this video and these hairstyles. Let me know in comments down below which of these hairstyles was your favorite. Also tell me please in comments down below what kind of hair tutorials or videos you'd like to see here on. Maybe I missed something or I didn't notice that I have to make and upload on Awesome Hairstyles channel. Also you can make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification button. If you like today's hair tutorial, make sure to leave me a like. This really inspires me and this shows me what I need to do and what you need more. But that's it for today, guys. I love you so much and see you soon in my next video. Bye!